Hello guys, for today's video, maghimo ko og resolution kay naay ni comment nako sa YouTube channel ako nga niingon. Ma'am, good morning. Naami Farmers Association giingnan mi sa taga Department of Agriculture nga pahimuon og resolution para matagan mi og abono. Ingon ani ba sad ang format ma'am sa resolution nga sample nimo sa apps sa Barangay Development Plan? Salamat daan, ma'am. Hello, ma'am, sa nag-comment. Tanawa lang ni ma'am basin na fit ni sa imong gipangita nga resolution. Let's start. Mao ni ang heading. Butangan ng barangay logo. Dito sample lang ni mama. Pero din itinuon namong barangay. Ako lang ni butangan. Sample lang siya. Mao ni ang headings. Okay, let's continue. Resolution number 24. Sample lang ni ma'am kay depende lagi nasa inyong resolution number na karon. Series of 2025 whereas submitted to the body for consideration the following resolution to wit. Resolution requesting the Department of Agriculture to provide fertilizer subsidies to the ni akong gisample ang name nga Farmers of United Farmers Association. Whereas the United Farmers Association, a duly registered organization in Barangay Alimocon, San Fernando, Cebu, plays a vital role in boosting agricultural and food security in our community. Whereas the rising cost of fertilizers has significantly affected the income and productivity of our farmers, posing a serious threat to their livelihood and the overall agricultural sector, whereas the Department of Agriculture has programs and initiatives aimed at assisting farmers and providing them with the necessary support to increase their productivity, whereas the provision of fertilizer subsidies would significantly alleviate the financial burden of our farmers and enable them to continue their farming activities. Whereas after series of deliberation, therefore, on motion of Honorable D.B.S. R. Pacquiao, Chairman Committee on Agriculture, duly seconded in mass, resolved as it is hereby resolved to request the Department of Agriculture to provide fertilizer subsidies to the United Farmers Association. Resolved further to approve the foregoing resolution carried unanimously. I hereby certify to the correctness of the above quoted resolution attested by Barangay Captain and preferred by Barangay Secretary. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe us for more videos.